Hello, so Aldo fam, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily make a t-shirt for a doll or an American doll. So basically this will fit any 18 inches tall doll. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. Basically, I just traced a t-shirt that I already have. This came with the set when we purchased the doll. So I just used that as a pattern. As you can see, I traced the front bodice and the front as well as the sleeve. I went ahead and cut out the pieces. For the back bodice, it's going to be two pieces because I will add buttons at the back. It can easily be put on and off on the doll. The front bodice is only going to be one piece, and of course you're gonna need two sleeves, and I cut out a bias tape long enough to fit around the neckline. So the first thing I will do is I am going to sew the shoulder seams. I decided to use my serger, but feel free to use your regular sewing machine. You can use a stretch stitch. And as you can see here, I am doing about 1/4 of an inch seam allowances. After that, I am going to sew the bias tape on the neckline. I will do it this way because the neckline is super small, so this is going to be a lot easier. So I basically match the raw edges together and I pin the bias tape on the right side of the fabric, and then I'll go ahead and serge it. And by the way, the bias tape is 1 inch wide and I folded it, and then it is about the same length of the neckline or a little longer. And now I am going to finish the placket on the back of the shirt. So I'm simply going to fold it like this and sew it. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. I decided to use my cover stitch for this, but obviously you can use your regular sewing machine for this project. Now it should look like this. Now this is the time to attach the sleeve on the arm side. So basically I am going to match the center fold of the sleeve and the shoulder seam. And then I am going to serge it. And then I will hem the sleeves. Now it's time to join the side seams of the shirt. I am going to hem the t-shirt. The last step is hand sewing the snaps at the back of the t-shirt. And the t-shirt is done. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every week. Don't forget to hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you soon. Bye!